Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Felita Daniely. I am a sales leader with Avon. I created this channel specifically for Avon representatives to help you grow your Avon business. So if you are not currently subscribed to my channel, please be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload new content. Okay, so I want to thank you for that. Now, let's get started. In this video today, I want to share with you the virtual makeover tool. This is a powerful tool that is going to set us apart from other direct sales companies. I personally don't know of any other company that has this tool. This virtual makeover tool is going to revolutionize your beauty business so that you will be able to, so that your customers will have the opportunity to try it on virtually before they actually purchase it. I remember years ago when I was fairly new in the business, we had access to hundreds and hundreds of different samples. We had, like foundation samples, we had lipstick samples, we had eyeshadow samples. A lot of those things are no longer available for us to order. And I'm sure what was happening is that the company would invest a lot of money into these samples and a lot of representatives just would not buy it. So this is a way for the company to, for everyone to be able to use this tool to grow their business and not have to invest, you know, lots of money into purchasing samples. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this tool. Now, the first thing you want to go to is go directly to your website. And whatever that link is, mine is www.youravon.com/fdanley. So whatever your website is, go directly to your website. When you get to your website, you're going to see shop, featured, A-list, special offers, and digital brochure. This is where you want to be. You want to be at the digital brochure. Okay, now, once you are at the digital brochure, the only way you can actually try on the cosmetics or the colors is you have to, number one, be able to link your camera or you can upload a photo. And since my camera is currently being used because I am recording this video, I am going to upload one of my photos and your customers can do the same thing. You can share this video with your customers and show them how it's actually done. Okay, so here we go. So the first thing you want to do is go and browse through the virtual brochure. Okay, and we want to go to the page where the cosmetics are located. So to do that, you want to click right here where this little 3-bar menu, and you'll see the table of contents populate. And we want to go directly to makeup. Okay, you'll see here skincare, wellness, and makeup. We want to go to the makeup. Okay, now when you get to this page, you're going to see these little, let me pull this over here. You're going to see here where the customer can click on this product and it'll be directly added to to her order. Or you can click right here for the virtual tool to be able to try on the product so that she can try it and see what it actually looks like on her skin. So what I'm going to do is click here. And when you click there, it's going to populate and it's going to come up and it's going to ask you to, number one, use your camera. And like I said, mine will not show use your camera because I'm currently using my camera right now. So what you'll have to do in that case, if you're using your camera, you want to use upload a photo. So I'm going to upload one of my photos and use the photo to try it on. Okay. So now my photo is uploaded. So now all you have to do is choose a color. So I wouldn't know what color or what shade I would use. So this gives you an opportunity to choose a color. So you choose a color. If I go with this one, this is hazelnut. You can see how it kind of altered my face. It kind of makes me look a little washed out. So I don't think that that would be my color. So if I click right here on the next color, this color is called truffle. That's way too dark. So I know that that would not be my color. So I'm going to move over here and try a new color. This color here is called pecan. So that almost fits me perfectly. So between the pecan and the hazelnut, actually the hazelnut actually looks good as well. So between the hazelnut and the pecan, I think the pecan is a little bit darker. So I probably would end up going with the hazelnut on this particular foundation. So if you wanted to go with that shade, all you have to do is just click on the little inbox, the little order tool, and it will automatically add it to the order. So let's go to the eyeshadows. Okay, so now we have all of the eyeshadows here. So I'm going to choose this product right here. So all of these shades will come up. So I'm going to choose this one because I like bright colors. So this color here, this is the Glimmer Shadow Liquid Eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm going to choose this color and see. This is called Ultramarine. So you see here how the ultramarine is. That is a beautiful, beautiful shade. And it actually goes with what I'm wearing here as well. I really like that shade. So let's try the Iron Violet. So you can see here, that's a very soft color. Doesn't blend well with the colors that I'm wearing, but it's a very soft, very real pretty springtime, summertime color. And let's choose another shade here. This is the Pink Topaz. That's a little washed out for me, for my color. And let's choose another one. This one is Fool's Gold. Now this one is kind of like a natural color. So if if you like something like more natural shades, then this would be a good color. Now all of the colors that I chose here, they are all in the shimmer shades or the frosted shades. So if you don't want a frosted shade, then you want to go with these shades here. So this one here is like a cream color. This is called Sunstone, and you can see that's a very, very natural color. Let's try this one. This one is called Pink Sapphire. Now that's another natural shade as well. Let's try this one. This one is called Moonstone. And that gives me kind of like a just a little bit of color in my on my eyelids. And I really kind of like that. So I'm going to leave that there. And we're going to try some lipsticks. Now I already have some lipstick on in this particular picture, this photo here. But I'm going to choose a different shade. So I'm going to try this shade right here and see what it looks like. This is called Red Symphony. So you can see how bright that is. I really like that. That's a really pretty color. And let's try this one here. This is called Plum Candy, Plum Candy. I like that color as well. Let's try this one here. This one's called Pink of Me. Now, I think the shades might be a little altered because I do have a color underneath here. I would have to find another photo. The best way to do it, I believe, is to find a photo where you are not wearing any type of colors. And then that way you'll be able to see exactly how the colors will look. Let's try this one. This one is called Coral Moment. I really like that coral as well. I think that it blends with my skin tone extremely well. So that is how you do that, and you find your colors and your shades. Share this tool, let your customers know that this tool is available for them to be able to try it before they buy it. I really believe that, again, this particular tool, this virtual tool is going to set us apart from other direct sales companies in the business. Even with Amazon, I don't even think I've even seen anything like this on Amazon where you can actually try before you buy. So if you look up here, you can see here that there are 3 different shades that I tried on. So you see the foundation stick that I tried on, you see the glimmer eyeshadow, and you also see the lip gloss lacquer that I chose. So you can click here and choose all 3 shades, and then you can add it to your cart. Okay, or you can choose a shade, or basically you can choose these 2 shades, and then, or basically, let me see, let me deselect these here and let me remove this one. You can click remove, and then it'll ask you, do you want to remove from your list? And all you have to do is select OK. If you want to cancel, just cancel. So I love this because when you select, when you find the shades that you like, you don't have to worry about trying to write everything down and remembering what was the product code number. All you have to do is click there and then add it to your cart. And then it adds to your order. Where else can you go to find such an awesome tool to grow your business? So get out there, share this virtual tool, and share this digital, this virtual color makeover tool with everyone that you know of. And it can be as simple as, when was the last time you had a makeover? You know, just simply asking a question like that, and just tell them, Avon just introduced a new virtual makeover tool, and I'd love to get your thoughts on it and see if how these shades actually looked on you. Okay, so that's a way, that another different strategy that you can use it to grow your business. Okay, all right, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. That always helps my channel to grow, and I need you to share as much as you possibly can. Share this video, like this video. If you have a comment, please be sure to leave the comments for me below. And again, if you are not subscribed, please be sure to consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, all right, so this has been Felita Daniele. I want to thank you so much for watching. So until next time, you take care, take charge, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.